Coolant temperature warning light meaning. The coolant temperature warning light is a dashboard symbol that warns the driver about abnormal engine coolant temperatures. It is usually shaped like a thermometer with wavy lines beneath it. When the light turns blue, it indicates the engine is still cold and hasn't reached optimal operating temperature. If it switches to red, it means the coolant is too hot, and the engine is overheating. This system ensures that the driver is aware of temperature extremes that could affect both performance and safety. A red coolant temperature warning light generally means there is a problem with the vehicle's cooling system. Common causes include low coolant level, coolant leaks, blocked radiator passages, a malfunctioning thermostat, a broken water pump, or failed cooling fans. In some situations, driving conditions like towing, steep climbs, or extreme weather can also cause the coolant to overheat. If ignored, overheating can lead to serious engine problems such as warped cylinder heads, blown head gaskets, or even complete engine failure, making the light one of the most important warnings not to overlook. When this light comes on, the driver should take quick but safe action. It is best to pull over, turn off the engine, and allow it to cool before checking coolant levels. Opening the radiator cap while the engine is hot should be avoided because pressurized coolant can cause severe burns. If coolant levels are low, topping up may help temporarily, but a mechanic should inspect the system to find and fix the root cause. Timely maintenance, such as checking coolant levels, hoses, and the radiator, can prevent overheating and ensure the engine runs smoothly within its safe temperature range.